In life, there are often situations where you need to introduce yourself to other people. But how do you introduce yourself in German? In this video, you're gonna learn this and a lot more. So let's go! So a good introduction starts with a word like hi or hello. In German, you would say hallo or hi, and then you add your name. For example, hallo, mein Name ist In my case, it would be something like hi, mein Name ist Luca. Hi, mein Name ist Luca. Hi, my name is Luca. And then you add freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. Freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. This means pleased to meet you or nice to meet you. Freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. Nice to meet you. Got it? So you start with hallo or hi, then you add your name, mein Name ist, and then you add freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. That's a great first introduction. Now let's take a look at talking about yourself, so you add some more. In this case, again, you start with your name, mein Name ist, but then you can also add other details. For example, ich bin Jahre alt, I am years old. And you can also add where you're from. Ich komme aus, So you say your name, how old you are, and where you're from. Let's take me as an example. In my case, I could say, hi, mein Name ist Luca. Hi, my name is Luca. Ich bin 23 Jahre alt und ich komme aus Deutschland. I am 23 years old and I'm from Germany. Hi, mein Name ist Luca. Ich bin 23 Jahre alt und ich komme aus Deutschland. So, not that difficult, right? Now it's your turn. Grab yourself a pencil and a sheet of paper and then do the same thing. Talk about yourself and say, for example, your name, mein Name ist how old you are, and where you're from. If you're not sure on how to do that, don't worry. You can always replay each of the videos and there you will get the information that you need for that. Of course, you don't need to do the task, but I definitely recommend it. Also, if you liked the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We produce weekly videos for learning German, and if you follow us on Instagram or Facebook, you can also find some other useful resources like great images, mnemonic aids, and many more. So make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest as well. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.